Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to fix Firestick, problem parsing package. If you are trying to install an app and getting this error, these 10 simple steps can help. 1. Update your Firestick. First, update your Firestick to the latest version. Go to Settings My Fire TV, About Check for Updates and install any available updates. 2. Restart your Firestick. Many times, small system glitches cause this error. Restart your device and try installing the app again. 3. Enable unknown sources. Go to Settings My Fire TV Developer Options apps from unknown sources and turn it on. This allows sideloaded apps to install. 4. Turn on ADB debugging. Settings. My Fire TV Developer Options ADB debugging. This can help with certain app installations. 5. Check the APK file. Make sure the APK you are installing is complete and correctly downloaded. A corrupted or incomplete file can cause the parsing error. 6. Free up storage space. If your Firestick has low storage, new apps won't install. Delete unnecessary apps or files to free up space. 7. Temporarily disable antivirus. In some cases, antivirus or security apps block the installation. Turn off antivirus temporarily while installing the app. 8. Clear downloader app cache. If you are using the downloader app to install the APK, clear its cache. Settings Applications Manage Installed Applications Downloader Clear Cache. 9. Uninstall older versions of the app. If an older version of the app is already installed, uninstall it before installing the new version. 10. Factory reset your Firestick. If the error persists after trying everything, perform a factory reset. Settings My Fire TV reset to factory defaults. This usually fixes complex issues. Following these 10 steps generally solves the problem parsing the package error, allowing you to install apps on Firestick smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.